5 hidden resources in your Silverado that never expire, never wear out, and never need maintenance. These apply to 1999 through 2013 models, specifically the GMT 800 and GMT 900 platforms. Built in from the factory, most owners never discover them, but once you know, they're available forever. Subscribe and comment which one you'll use first. These are 5 resources that will last the lifetime of your truck. These aren't features that wear out or parts that need replacing. These are built-in resources designed to last forever. Most owners never know they exist, but today, you'll discover all 5. Let's go. First, for 2007 to 2013 GMT 900 models, we have the tow/haul mode transmission intelligence. This isn't just a button. It's a complete transmission strategy that never expires. It holds lower gears longer, delays upshifts, and uses engine braking all automatically, saving your transmission from overheating when towing or hauling. Most owners never use it, thinking it's only for heavy towing, but that's wrong. Use it anytime you haul cargo, even light loads. It prevents excessive shifting, reduces heat, and dramatically extends transmission life, and it's free, built-in, and lasts forever. You'll find the button on the end of the gear selector or on the dashboard. Press it once, and a light confirms it's active. Resource 1. Tow/haul mode, offering forever protection. Use it. Second, for all 1999 to 2013 Silverados with a tow package, you have factory trailer brake controller preparation wiring. If you have the tow package, the wiring is already installed, hidden under the dash. This means adding a trailer brake controller is plug and play. The harness is there, the connector waiting. Just plug it in and you're done. Aftermarket wiring installation can cost $200 to $300 in labor, but your truck is already wired. Factory included it as a free resource that never expires. Look for a wrapped harness with a connector under the dash on the driver's side. Check your owner's manual for the wiring diagram. This saves you hundreds in installation costs and provides professional quality factory wiring, ready when you need it. Resource 2, pre-wired trailer brake, forever ready. Third, for 1999 to 2013 models, varying by trim, are hidden auxiliary power outlets. There are more than you think. Most know about the dashboard outlet, but common hidden locations include the center console rear, under the rear seat, and optionally, the cargo bed. These never wear out, providing 12-volt power anywhere to charge tools, run accessories, or for emergency phone charging. Modern trucks have USB ports that fail, but 12-volt outlets last forever. They're simple, reliable, and always available. Check your center console thoroughly, flip the rear seat up, and inspect the bed rails. Your owner's manual will show locations for your specific trim. Resource 3. Hidden 12-volt power, offering eternal utility. Fourth, for all 1999 to 2013 Silverados, are factory frame-mounted recovery points, built in forever. They're not obvious, but they're engineered strong and safe for recovery. In the front, you'll find frame holes behind the bumper designed for tow hooks. In the rear, frame rails have reinforced holes, and the hitch receiver is also rated for recovery. Stuck in mud or snow? These emergency recovery points are ready. No aftermarket needed. They're factory engineered and rated for your truck's weight. For the front, install bolt-in tow hooks into the threaded holes. For the rear, use the hitch receiver with a proper D-ring or the frame holes. Never use tie-down loops. Those aren't rated for recovery. Always use the proper frame points only. Resource 4. Built-in recovery points, forever prepared. Fifth, for all 1999 to 2013 Silverados, is the spare tire winch cable mechanism under the truck. It's brilliantly simple, lasts forever, and is self-protecting. The cable runs through the frame, and the winch mechanism is enclosed. You lower the spare tire with a simple tool and raise it back up, all protected from the elements. This brilliant design means the cable is enclosed and the mechanism sealed, rarely corroding if maintained, and can last the truck's entire life. The maintenance secret: once a year, lower the spare completely, spray the cable with silicone, and raise it back up. That's it. It keeps working forever. If the cable breaks, a replacement is $20 to $40, an easy DIY fix. But with annual spray, it never breaks. Most ignore it until they need the spare, then discover it still works 30 years later. That's engineering. Resource 5. Spare winch mechanism, offering eternal functionality. So, to recap, the 5 hidden resources in your Silverado that never expire are: 1. Tow/haul mode intelligence for forever transmission protection. 2. Trailer brake prep wiring for forever ready plug and play. 3. Hidden 12-volt outlets for eternal power anywhere. 4. Frame recovery points for forever emergency preparedness. And 5. The spare tire winch, an eternal mechanism still working. These don't wear out, don't need replacing, and are built to last your truck's lifetime. Which resource will you use first? Comment using resource number X. Like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll reveal 8 secrets of 500,000-mile Silverados. Your Silverado has hidden value built in, and these 5 resources prove it. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.